Hello, word friends, and welcome back to another episode of Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we delve into the fascinating world of vocabulary. Today's word is bid. It's a B2 level noun, and it means an offer of a price in an auction. So, what exactly is a bid? Simply put, it's when you propose an amount of money you're willing to pay for something, especially at an auction or in a competitive situation. It's an offer to buy something at a particular price. You'll often hear it used in the context of auctions, real estate, or even government contracts. Think of it like this. Imagine you're at an auction for a beautiful antique vase. Someone starts by saying they'll pay $100 for it. That's the initial bid. Then, someone else says they'll pay $120. That's a higher bid, and the process continues until no one wants to bid any higher. The highest bid wins. Let's explore some synonyms for bid. One synonym is offer. For example, instead of saying she made a bid on the house, you could say she made an offer on the house. Both sentences convey the same basic idea of proposing a price. Here's another example. The company submitted a competitive bid for the project can also be stated as the company submitted a competitive offer for the project. Another synonym is proposal. The construction company's bid was the lowest could be written as the construction company's proposal was the lowest. It indicates a formal submission of a price. A further synonym is tender. Tender is often used in formal business or government contexts. The company submitted a bid to build the new bridge can also become the company submitted a tender to build the new bridge. Think of tender as a more official bid. Now, let's turn our attention to antonyms. What words have the opposite meaning of bid? One antonym is rejection. If you make a bid and it's not accepted, it faces rejection. For instance, his bid was met with rejection due to its low value. Another antonym is withdrawal. This means to take back your bid. He announced the withdrawal of his bid from the auction. It signifies removing your offer. We can also consider decline as an antonym in certain contexts. If someone tries to solicit a bid from you and you refuse, you decline. For example, she declined to bid on the artwork because it was too expensive. Usage in everyday life. You might hear someone say, "I'm going to bid on that painting at the auction tonight." Or, in a business setting, "We need to submit a bid for this government contract." You might also use it informally. For instance, if you are trying to buy something secondhand online, "I put in a bid for that vintage lamp I saw online." Sometimes bid is used figuratively, like when you're trying to achieve something ambitious. You could say, "He's making a bid for the championship title." Let's solidify our understanding with some more sentence examples. The opening bid was much lower than expected. She placed a high bid in hopes of securing the property. The company's bid was carefully calculated to undercut the competition. They rejected his bid because it was too low. He won the auction with the highest bid. The minimum bid for the artwork is $500. Phrases that contain bid might be a bid for power, a bid for attention, or the highest bid. So, to recap, bid is a B2 level noun meaning an offer of a price, especially at an auction. We explored its use in everyday language, its synonyms like offer, proposal, and tender, and its antonyms like rejection, withdrawal, and decline. We also looked at how you can use bid in daily conversations and phrases. It can refer to anything from offering a price at an auction to making an attempt at something ambitious. I hope this has helped you understand the word bid a little better. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. I really appreciate you spending your time with me. Before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and expand their vocabulary too. And here's a little challenge for you. Try creating your own sentence using the word bid and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep saying hello word.